Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Takeover. In this video we are going to check out for an amazing feature which is copy and paste from photos on iPhone devices. So if you just want to have this feature in your iPhone device, you have to check for the iOS updated version of your phone. So once you got here, you can see my iPhone iOS version is 15.0.2. When we check out for what is new in our iPhone, you can see we have the selected text in a photo. So how we can use this: open up any photo you got on your iPhone device's camera or screenshot it by your phone. You can see I can select the photos by tapping on it, and I can copy them all what I have here on the photo. For example, I copy that and I'm going to paste that here on the notes. First of all, let me clear the text I have here on the note, then double tap to get the paste option, and you can see this is the text we got from the photo I screenshot with my iPhone device. Now I'm going to test it here with the camera photos. Let me capture the photo with my camera, and I got that. Double tap on it, you can see I can copy the text and I can back on the notes, even I can print that with my printer. You can see I got that note here on my iPhone, and this is very useful feature for your phone in your lessons too. So that's all. You have to update your phone to iOS 15 to get this option without installing any app to your iPhone device. So that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends.